Welcome back to the channel. Everyone, today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the all-new 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a luxury masterpiece that takes road travel to a level most of us could only dream about. Imagine combining the prestige of Rolls-Royce, the comfort of a five-star hotel, and the freedom of an RV lifestyle, and you get this jaw-dropping motorhome. Stick around, because we're going to cover everything: design, luxury features, interior layout, technology, performance, an insane price tag that makes this RV America's most luxurious home on wheels. Number 1. The Rolls-Royce legacy meets the open R Rolls-Royce is a brand that has always stood for elegance, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. From the Phantom to the Cullinan SUV, every vehicle they build screams luxury. But now, in 2026, Rolls-Royce has taken a daring step into the motorhome world. This isn't just another RV. It's a rolling palace designed for billionaires, celebrities, and royalty who want to travel without compromising on comfort. Think about it. Why fly private jets all the time when you can own a luxury land yacht that offers the same prestige? Ode. Number 2. Exterior design, a moving mansion. From the outside, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a true head-turner. At over 45 feet long, it combines sleek aerodynamics with classic Rolls-Royce styling cues. The iconic Pantheon grille sits proudly at the front, reimagined for a massive motorhome body. The Spirit of Ecstasy ornament isn't just decorative. It's integrated with sensors and cameras for autonomous driving assistance. Two-tone paint options allow owners to personalize the motorhome in over 44,000 bespoke color combinations. The body features flush, retractable panels for storage compartments, and even a hidden outdoor entertainment system. Massive 26-inch custom wheels wrapped in noise-canceling tires ensure a smooth, silent ride. At first glance, it looks like a luxury yacht on wheels. Park it at a national park or luxury RV resort, and you'll instantly dominate the landscape. Number 3. Step inside, a world of pure luxury. Now, let's open those automatic sliding doors and walk inside. This is where Rolls-Royce truly sets itself apart. The cabin greets you with the famous Starlight headliner, featuring thousands of fiber optic lights that mimic a night sky. But instead of just a ceiling, it extends to the lounge and bedroom for a truly immersive feel. Every surface inside is crafted from hand-stitched leather, open pore with veneers, crystal, and brushed aluminum. Owners can customize the materials, from rare Italian leathers to exotic marbles sourced from around the globe. The motorhome features a 3-zone interior layout: front lounge and driving area, captain chairs that swivel 360 degrees, fully recline, and offer built-in massage, a panoramic windshield that doubles as an augmented reality heads-up display, soundproof insulation so quiet you can barely hear the engine, middle living and dining space, a modular sofa that converts into additional sleeping space, a crystal dining table with motorized extensions, hidden 85-inch 8K OLED TV that rises from the sidewall, Rolls-Royce's silent mode sound system, which adjusts acoustics automatically for the perfect audio experience, rear bedroom and spa bathroom, a king-size bed with memory foam and cashmere bedding, smart glass windows that can go from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button, a full spa bathroom featuring heated marble floors, a rainfall shower, and even a Japanese soaking tub. This isn't just camping. It's like having a luxury penthouse suite on wheels. Number 4. Next-level technology. Luxury is one thing, but technology is where Rolls-Royce has gone all out. The motorhome is fully equipped with Level 4 autonomous driving, meaning it can drive itself on highways and in most traffic conditions. An advanced AI personal assistant named Eleanor manages everything, from lighting and climate to entertainment and security. Smart home integration allows you to control everything from your smartphone or even via voice command. A solar panel roof with battery storage powers much of the interior without relying on external hookups. Rolls-Royce's proprietary air purification system ensures you're always breathing clean, filtered air, perfect for long trips.